Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi ngin Wanrah amangi hakir do Biang jongpi.
Of the map. So in the second phase we'll try to
MLA jongka Rambrai Jerngam constituency. Uba Kimfa S Marbanyang. Hagasngi baar ka arpulai terik unailar arajar arpuar. Ulaong baka Sorkar jela kansa Pyrshang ban Wanrah Biang yaki Tylli ki Shnong ki bahab hapo ka nongbak aking bat ka hima nonglang syaga jela Meghalaya. Kini ki Tylli ki Shnong ki kentup yaka Malang hahua para yak bala tip mensua kum ka Shnong og gipu ciring ka Malang Joypur bat ka Malang Salbari. Hagajing ikran bat kilat pathai kubor uba kimfa ulaong ba ula dep pensngau yakani hakmat jong menteri rangba kejela u Konrad Kongkal Sangma bat hakmat u sembut menteri rangba kejela uba Preston Tensong.
We have seen that due to some reasons which we are not able to comply with the demands of the people, there are some protests from 2-3 villages which in 2011 maybe proper survey has not been done and they were left out of the map. So in the second phase we'll try to go in a slower pace in order to will take more time so that we can take the confidence of the people and together with all the villagers, the headman, the Himas, and slowly by doing this, I think so, we'll try to avoid as many agitations as possible from the public side, and we'll gain the confidence of our people in the border areas. You see, agitations has been there from time to time, but if you take it in a good side, maybe this government has tried its best to bring the issue of the border and to solve the issue. So I don't think so there will be much of a problem during the election. But I can see that people in the border area wanted to be in Meghalaya side. So we'll try to, like in the first phase, the regional company, we have gone with the willingness of the people. So in the same way, in the second phase also we will go in order to get back all the villages and confidence in the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister regarding this. Hopefully during the second phase we'll try to bring back the 3 villages which has been left out of the first phase, and we'll try to bring back to Meghalaya. So we've been thinking like during the second phase we'll try to do it in a slower manner. In order, like we can gain all the villages. We won't do as hurriedly as in the first phase we did. We'll take our time and we'll try to convince the people. Like what we are doing is for the benefit of the border people. If you look during the survey in 2011, most of the villages has been left out. So we cannot blame anyone. Whatever mistake has been done, we have to correct them. Now we have to correct them. So slowly we'll try to speak to the Chief Minister of Assam also through our Chief Minister, and we'll try to solve this problem by bringing them back to Meghalaya.